Sa tingin ko naman po, hindi magkakaproblema ang PCO in terms of budgeting. Dahil ako rin po ay nakatanggap ng impormasyon na buwan-buwan kayo rin po ay nakakatanggap ng mga assistance from different offices. Totoo po ba na meron kayong natatanggap na 5 million buwan-buwan from PCSO?
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, wala po. Wala po ang natatanggap ang agency na 5 million from PCSO po, Your Honor.
5 million buwan-buwan po ito
Wala po, Your Honor.
At bukod pa po dyan, meron pa po kayong natatanggap na 10 million pesos kada buwan from the Office of the First Lady.
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, PCO denies that they receive such amount from the Office of the First Lady, Your Honor.
At bukod pa po dyan, di pa po tayo natatapos. Meron pa pong 10 million every month na binibigay sa PCO from the Office of the Executive Secretary.
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, again, the PCO denies receiving such amount from the Office of the Executive Secretary.
Meron din pong nakapagsabi sa akin na meron kayong napakalaking vault sa PCO na lalagyan ng pera. Kung ako po ba'y magpapadala ng tao ngayon dun para mag-inspect for the existence of a big vault na naglalaman at sisidlan ng pera, pwede niyo po bang i-confirm or i-deny ang existence ng vault na yon? Nalalagyan ng pera.
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, there is a small vault for the cash section for the immediate needs, but it's not an extraordinarily big, like a bank vault type of vault, Your Honor.
Kasi po, dun daw sa vault na yun, dun tinatanggap yung mga bonuses ng mga keyboard warriors, ng mga vloggers natin na who have reached a certain virality. Dun sila sumasahod.
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, the vault is for the finance section, and it's, again, it's not an extraordinarily big vault. It's probably in the hip area ko lang po, yung ganun, the usual ones that you can buy in the Ace Hardware or in
Sigurado,
such.
baka po Madam Sponsor, yung nakita nyo lang nasa first to third floor. Pag umakit kayo ng fourth floor, mas malaki yata yung vault dun.
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, they deny the existence of such big vault. Yung ano lang po talaga, Your Honor, yung para sa immediate needs, cash vault lang po na for the finance section.
Opo. Thank you, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor. Kaya hindi ako naniniwalang hindi na mo problema sa pera ang PCO dahil napag-alaman ko rin, if you can confirm, nagme-maintain po tayo ng 4 na head vloggers who are receiving 75,000 pesos monthly. At yung bawat head vlogger na yon ay merong kumbaga downline o meron siyang sinusupervise na 10 vloggers who receive about 10 to 50,000 pesos allowance depende sa kanilang performance. Would you confirm that, Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor?
Madam Speaker, Your Honor, again, the agency denies that there is an existence of 10 vloggers who earn that much, Your Honor.